Friends, good evening. Today it is 19/3/2023 and the time is 8:30. And last week, Nifty low was 16,850. Actually, we predicted that 16,893 to 16,833 will be the key based on Ichimoku. And that is where it took the exact support. And from there, it closed somewhere around 17,100. And today, in Sunday webinar, we talked about Nifty, Bank Nifty, based on Ichimoku, Pitchfork, many things. We combined so many things in all the time frames. So we have given a clear idea on what we are going to do. And there are a lot of time cycle is coming from tomorrow till 23rd. Till 23rd. And according to me, 23rd will be a big candle, as we already predicted last 2 weeks before. The 13th will be the big candle. We got a very big candle on 13th. And again, I'm telling 23rd March, we will get a possibility. I'm not telling that it has to happen 100%. There is a possibility based on the past pattern that 23rd will be a big candle, maybe on the upside or it may be on the downside. First 15 minutes high and low will do the needful. In case if it is going to be a downside move, and if it comes and touches 16,666 on that day, where the time and the price will square, and that will be the bottom of the market, and from there the reversal will start on 24th March and it will go till end till up to 30th or 31st March. This is whatever happened in the past, we are correlating it and then putting it in the future. Okay, whether it has to happen 100%, no idea. You need to sit. I'm giving you the hint. You need to use your own system and be with the trend. Okay, and be with the trend. So now I don't want to go to graph because we discussed so many things about graph. I'll show you only one thing and then we'll go to the numbers straight away. Okay, so now let's go to the chart. So now this is what we predicted last week, that you can go and watch my video, that this area is the key for Nifty. Okay, based on Ichimoku, and exactly it came down, touched that low and bounced. And this is what the number we quoted last week. That was our end target. And that is where it came and took the support and went back. But based on all the time frames, it is bearish. No doubt about it. Market is 100% bearish. No doubt about it. Okay. But it has taken a support at the Ichimoku, and let's see how the market is going to plan out from here. Okay, now let's go to why bearish, all that we discussed in today's webinar. So now let's go to the PPT. Okay, so now this is the number which we quoted last week, and we clearly mentioned this is the number, the ultimate number, 16,893. Okay, and it came up to 16,850, and from there it bounced, and this was the last target which we mentioned, but it missed by 17 points. And Bank Nifty has already done all the targets last week. Okay, so this was the last target which we mentioned, 39,121. That is done, and the exact top happened at 40,679, and from there it came and achieved all the targets. And below this we mentioned these two targets. This target, the first target is achieved, the second target is not achieved. Okay, so from 40,353 to 38,809 is that, roughly around 1,500 points. Okay, so now let's go to this week. As I already mentioned, 20th and 21st are the important dates. Okay, 21st everybody knows it's a solar day, and 20th is actually WDC day, which we always use it in our trading. We call it as old day concept. So last time it happened on 21st February, and that was a massive fall from there. And tomorrow, because that date will decide the top formation or the bottom formation. Already market is going down. Let's see whether it's going to be a bottom formation tomorrow. Okay, so now coming to numbers, all the numbers, in this case it is bearish, in this case it is bearish. And now coming to weekly, coming to expiry from 17th to 23rd, this should be the number, and we already given this number on Friday morning itself. So till it holds, you don't need to worry. Break below this, you need to be very, very cautious on the market. Okay. And above this number, it will be very bullish, but here it will act as a resistance. 17,238 to 17,248 will act as a major resistance. So now all these will become resistance. And Bank Nifty, it is surviving, but it is not able to break this number. Above break this number, then it's a good, but it is not able to break. So now tomorrow I will give this number. You can use it for the complete next week from Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday. This number I will give it to you tomorrow. So now this has to hold. This has to hold for this week to claim above, and these numbers will act as a major resistance. Okay. So now this is the Fin Nifty number for the whole expiry for the whole month of March, and this is till 21st. This is till 21st. You can use it. So now coming to the GAN. So I've already given the pivot number, everything for the week. Kindly go ahead. Until it is below 22nd low, it is bearish only, no doubt about it. Okay. Below 16th March, 250 points on the downside, and above 16th March, 250 points on the upside. And yesterday it closed above 16th March, possibility that upside of 250 points on the cuts. I don't care about what is happening in Dow Jones, whether it has fallen by 400 points. All that I don't care about it. I concentrate on Nifty, and this is what it says. This is what it says. So let's see how the market is going to plan out tomorrow. And 20th March and 21st March are the combo dates for the indices. First 15 minutes high and low will do the needful for tomorrow. Okay. And 24th is the cycling day. 24th is the cycling day. Possibility of a big candle on 23rd March. Okay. If it is, I've already told you, if it is going to be on the downside move, and from 24th March, market will start an upside move till the month end. And the number which I am watching out for here is 16,666. Let's watch what's going to happen there. Okay. And this was the timing for tomorrow. And I am still in long in Nifty. And I'm against the trend now, because even though my system is not given long in 15 minutes in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty, but I have taken a long at 16,983. I am still holding my long. In case if the market breaks the 15 minutes low tomorrow, I will exit my position, whether at a loss or a minimum profit or whatever it is. And I am holding Jindal Steel. I'm holding Jindal Steel. Rest is, most of the things I squared off on Friday. Okay. So now watch this very important thing. Based on the past, Bank Nifty tomorrow 9:15 to 10:15 1 hour candle will decide the move from here on. Will decide the move from here on. And for Nifty, it is 10:15 to 11:15 p.m. 1 hour candle. Kindly mark this two candle. Even though tomorrow is going to be a WDC day, but still these two candles are vital based on the past. Based on the past, I've already explained. I've already shown this to my people in the webinar, as well as I posted all this in my Telegram channel on Friday itself. I think on Saturday itself. So I'm just writing it here. So this 1 hour candle is going to do a miracle in the coming days. So kindly watch. And apart from that, 10/5/2023, 10/5/2023, 1 hour candle, 9:15 to 10:15, 1 hour candle, which is a combination candle, will do wonders for a mega move. I'm talking about 10th May, 10th May. Kindly mark a note now and use it. Kindly mark a note and use it. And Venus effect is already shown in UBL, McDowell and Titan, doing wonders, but we offloaded, we exited at the profit. We exited at the profit. So now coming to numbers, these two numbers are bullish. These two numbers are still bearish. So market went and touched this number, and from there it collapsed. It gave 1,000 points from this one number. Okay. So now, in case if the market comes down tomorrow, these numbers will act as a support. And this is, I'm talking about Nifty future. I'm talking about Nifty future. So these two numbers will act as a support. And this is the number for the coming week. If you are entering based on this, stop loss is 54 points. Stop loss is 54 points. And I have given the targets on the higher side. And these two numbers is what I'm looking at in case if the market comes down. 16,666 to 16,641 is the number which I'm looking out for the coming week in case if the market comes down. Okay. And coming to Bank Nifty, these two numbers are bullish. So this one number is enough for you to trade for the complete week, 39,624. That one number is enough. That one number is enough. Above that number is bullish, below that number is bearish. Finished. Okay. So now this is the weekly number for the Bank Nifty, and the number which I'm watching out for on the downside is 38025 to 37937. So I've already marked here. So kindly have a watch. Okay. And coming to trend change date, there are many stocks for tomorrow. All are blue color stocks. It means it will give a push on the stock. For example, let's say if Reliance is already downside, then this blue color date will give more power on the downside. The trend continuation will be there on the blue color date. So all are blue color date, and tomorrow Reliance is having the trend change date. And watch out for BPCL, HPCL, IOC, and ONGC. All are looking bullish, and IOC had a trend change date yesterday. I have already marked the high and low here. 2 rupees stop loss. Kindly take a bet on IOC. Kindly take a bet on IOC. And tomorrow it is BPCL and HPCL. And today we discussed much about BPCL and HPCL. So kindly have a watch, and other big counters or Axis Bank is having, and then Tata Steel is having. Watch out. So all these companies for tomorrow and the coming week. These are the companies, and all these are yellow color dates. I will discuss this little later on 22nd. But tomorrow, all these companies are having the trend change date. Actually, the trend change date is on 18th of March, but 18th was holiday, so the impact will be on 20th of March. Okay, so mostly I think we have covered the numbers, and I don't want to go to the chart. There are 1,000 videos available in YouTube. So numbers do wonders according to me, and the time always do wonders. So thanks for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. And today I shared about my long-term view in Nifty in my webinar. Don't get afraid, but that is what I'm seeing. That is what I'm seeing. So let's see with the magical number of Nifty at 907 and the weekly number at 9:18 a.m. for the complete week. Until then, goodbye.